You are listening to the Cellular Alchemist podcast, and here's your host, Ritu Malhotra.
It's the Ganpati festival, a 5, 6, 8 day declaration of our what? Religiousness, our belief in tradition, maybe. Since I'm a confirmed non believer in such festivities, that have a total disregard for others' comfort levels, and where people are oblivious to noise as pollution, it seems like a nuisance to me, especially when the expected uh, 4 or 5 days goes beyond 8, 9, 10 days even. But my point is not religion or the Ganpati festival. My point is, why do we like noise so much? Obviously, quiet and stillness is boring. More accurately, maybe it's threatening. Is it because we actually fear stillness? Yes. Sadly, I must admit that most of us, our brains, are addicted to noise, addicted to that notification. We love that stimulation. We want to read and answer that message instantly. We try putting the phone away, but no, it haunts us. But okay, we all know that. We've read it many times and we are aware. We know that that old friend dopamine makes us chase the ping and the swipe, etc. We're in a loop. If we are uncomfortable, then we scroll down somewhere, God knows to where, or we snack. We get a quick dopamine hit, it gives us temporary relief and moves us away from the root problem, which is the discomfort. And lo and behold, the discomfort becomes stronger. And we repeat the loop. It's exhausting. So let's ask ourselves, what is this chase? What are we running away from? When we give ourselves a wee bit of quiet, the truth emerges. We're running away from ourselves. We're all chasing away the lonely, guilty, angry, and confused part of us. We are looking for silence. Silence is not just the absence of noise. It's the presence of truth. And noise chatter, inane conversations, keep us away from solitude. As someone has said, दूर तक जाती है आवाज खामोशी में, शोर में खुद की आवाज सुनाई नहीं देती. The sound travels far in solitude. One cannot even listen to one's own voice in the noise. We need solitude to comprehend and accept that I own my destiny. I know that solitude is my true nature. But this boisterous world distracts me to a point where I start liking the noise, though my inner self doesn't gel with it really. When I stay with that serene quiet for a while, this silence speaks. It says, be grateful, because we're all blessed. Here's to healing until we speak again.
That was this week's episode for the Cellular Alchemist podcast with spiritual psychologist Ritu Malhotra. Don't forget to follow the podcast and join us next week for yet another episode. Thank you for listening.